Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb go down and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb go down is to be recorded or remembered in something, usually in relation to history. COVID-19 spread throughout the globe, and scientists believe the impact the virus has had on the world will go down in human history. People will speak about this time for hundreds of years. After the actor died, widespread tributes were paid to them. He will go down as one of the finest actors the world has ever seen. Meaning 2 of go down is to be defeated by someone, mainly in a game or competition. The fans were overcome with joy as their team came back from a goal behind to win the game. I thought we'd go down to them after they scored, but I'll never write my team off again. Brazil are one of the best football teams in the world and have shown it on the biggest football stage. Germany went down to Brazil in the 2002 World Cup when Ronaldo scored 2 goals to win the game. Meaning 3 of go down is to be appreciated or accepted in a particular way. The presentation is a huge success. I got a standing ovation from everyone. I think it went down really well. After she got off the phone to her boyfriend, she started to cry. He shouldn't have said that to you. How did he not realize what he said wouldn't have gone down well? Meaning 4 of go down is when something stops working temporarily. The project manager was given an incident report of what happened. During the afternoon, the system went down for an hour and we lost contact with our clients. This can't happen again. The manager announced to the office, "We'll lose internet access as it will go down for the next 20 minutes or so, just until they fix the lines for us." Meaning 5 of go down is to ask someone what has been happening. This meaning is only heard in informal situations. The 2 friends met up for a catch-up. "Hi mate, what's been going down?" The woman ran into someone she hadn't seen in a long time. "Oh my God, Anna, how are you? What's going down with you these days?" So let's run through what we've learned. Go down can mean to be recorded or remembered in something, usually in relation to history. This will go down in company history as a turning point. To be defeated by someone, mainly in a game or competition. I won't go down without a fight. To be appreciated or accepted in a particular way. This won't go down well with upper management. When something stops working temporarily. My computer went down. I hope it comes back soon as I have so much work to do. To ask someone what has been happening. What's going down with you? Where did you hear the phrasal verb go down? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.